Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we are going to be making chocolate chip banana bread, and yes, it is so yummy. So first up, we are going to start off with some room temperature butter. We are going to place that into our stand mixer, and if you don't have a stand mixer, you can feel free to use whatever type of blender you have, whether that is a hand mixer or if you just want to whisk it by hand. Probably don't recommend whisking it by hand because it will be a lot of arm work. But anyway, so we are going to just whisk this together. We are going to wait until the butter changes texture. It's going to be like a really light and fluffy texture, as you can see, and the color also changed to a lighter color. So now we're going to work on our next wet ingredient. So we're going to add our sugar, and I did use brown sugar as well as white sugar, just because I love the contrast that it does to this recipe. Here I am using my super ripe bananas, and I'm just going to mash those up. Okay, so now we are going to add in our eggs. And guys, the recipe will be in the caption below, so make sure you check that description box. And before you go, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss all of the great recipes and all of the other great content that I have for you guys. So now we're going to add in our mashed bananas. Let that mix. Now, you do not want to overmix this batter because you do not want the batter to be tough. So now we're just gonna go ahead and add in some other seasoning. So I'm gonna add in some cinnamon off camera as well as some vanilla extract. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on our dry mixture. So now for the dry mixture, we are going to be using all-purpose flour. And again, guys, for the recipe, all of the measurements will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So again, we're going to be using all-purpose flour. Sorry, not self-rising. We're going to be using all-purpose flour. Then we're going to be going in with some baking powder. And then we'll be going in with some baking soda. And that's going to make sure that the bread rises nicely. This bread is so yummy, guys. When I tell you, it's so moist, and it also has a nice crisp to it. And I don't know if you guys like that, but I love when my desserts have like that nice crunch. It's not going to be like an overpowering crunch, but it's really good. It's a nice contrast. So we're going to just go ahead and add our dry ingredients slowly, mixing that in with our wet ingredients, incorporating everything, making sure that you pull down all the ingredients from the top. Then I'm going to go in and add our chocolate chips. I'm going to add chocolate chips in the batter as well as on top. You're going to want to bake this for about an hour on 350. And guys, when I tell you, your mouth is going to be watering, your house is going to smell amazing. Make sure you check this recipe out. If you do, make sure you leave me a comment down below. And thanks so much for watching. I'll let you guys enjoy.